Hello, friends. Boy, there is a lot of uncertainty in the market, from single platforms to Bitcoin itself and the crypto market itself. Right now, everyone has a heightened sense of volatility. Things are becoming a little unstable. If you... I always like to, in times like this, when things are uncertain, you sprout, you plant seeds. Because if one tree falls down, you want to make sure you have another tree that's already growing. Luck favors the prepared. I don't know about you, but one of my favorite things about cryptocurrency that's allowed many people to do is add passive incomes where you don't have to do anything. And you just wake up to dividends. So I am throwing some crypto. I just threw 20 ETH into Gandhiji. Now, what is Gandhiji? Gandhiji is just like proof of weak hands. 10% of your money, that 10% of the deposit you put in, 10% that goes out is spread amongst all the token holders, right? It is a open contract. Guess you could call it a pyramid. I don't know what they're called anymore. Don't care. What I do know is our channel has a knack for getting in early, where our people and our followers are very profitable, whether that's with divs, ARB, Gandhiji. Timing is very important. It's everything, actually. Timing is everything in crypto. Everything. It's simple. It's so easy. A old person can do it. This looks like one of those phones that old people use. A kid can do it. If all you need is MetaMask, if you have MetaMask, great. You put ETH in it, you click buy tokens, it's all done. It's simple and back to the roots. And you know what? A lot of people made a lot of crypto off of proof of weak hands. And I guess that's stalled out. I got out a couple pumps early, but I made great money with proof of weak hands. And I'm going to do the same with this. I'm getting in early. There's less than 1,000 ETH. Gandhi has been talking to me about this. He's been in my DMs for months and months and months and months. Damn near a year. And it's got the foundation. The contract has been gone through. So I don't care what anyone thinks. I don't care about drama or whatever. We're all in our own battleships. And my ship, I lead my people very well compared to others. I'm sure many would agree with that. A couple haters wouldn't, but those are just haters. Screw them. So I am doing Gandhiji, and guess what? We're going to do a little Indian. I'm feeling real Indian. I've been watching the YouTube of the Harold Balder guy, the two Nordic guys that are in India for a month doing all kinds of shit. I didn't wash my hands. I ate some chicken tikka marsala, and my new channel name's Crypto Patel. So I'm feeling it. I'm feeling Indian, and I'm pretty picky, real picky about what I've put my crypto in, and we have hit homers in these platforms that this channel has gotten, we always have a regret, and that regret is that we didn't put in more. And so I'm ready to have that feeling again. You're never gonna see 957 ETH. You're not gonna see sub 1,000 ETH in this contract. Do you know how much money people made off proof of week hands? A lot. A lot. And this will catch fire just like that one. It's got more and more YouTubers every day. It's got the audited contract foundations, audited contracts and foundation. So I'm gonna do it. I am going to be prepared in a market of instability. When there's blood in the streets, oh, blood in the streets, oh. So sick of the same cliche sayings, but you guys get it. So we got our Indian flute. And I'm ready. I'm ready. This channel's been real focused on trading. And I know some people are left out. If you're feeling left out because you don't want to trade and you're just looking for something else, this is something else. And I love passive income. And you know what? I just took a hit. I lost my BITUNIX referral. And so I'm looking to replace that. That's really that. We're gonna replace that, and Gandhiji is the way I'm doing it. So I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna incentivize my people. Hopefully there's a way where I can see all the addresses that sign up under me. I'm pretty sure there is. And what I'm gonna do is maybe after, let's say, like 3 days, or every 3 days for like a week or something, I'm gonna choose one at random somehow, and I'll give away like an ETH. Give away maybe three or 4 ETH or something like that. We'll go over the main details. Just know, if your ass signs up under my link, I'm gonna be giving away some Ethereum. Hell yeah. Or some indie tokens, whatever. We're going to give away something. So take that to the bank. So if you feel like you missed out on P3D, or Daily Divs, or ARB, or any of these platforms, or anything, you missed out on anything, here's your chance. So this is my little hookah, and I want to go to India. I've been wanting to go to India. I've had a newfound interest in India, a place I never thought I'd want to go. But for the past month, I've been watching the Herald and Baller on YouTube, been eating Indian food. I haven't been taking showers. So we're going CryptoFace Patel, and telling you, you guys know what happens when we get behind a platform and I sink my teeth into it. We're gonna blow this shit up, and I'm not even gonna say me. It's gonna blow up without me. But if you want to get some of that passive income, if you want to get some of those bonuses like the others, this one I think is the secret. This one's the dark horse because it just has more foundation. It's been around for a long time. It's been sitting there. There's 100 grand in it already. It's early enough, and but it's not too early. So I threw in 20 ETH. I'm gonna throw in some more. If you want to as well, the link's right below. And we're gonna give away some ETH. So let's do this shit. Let's juice another side income. And there's one more thing. I think I'm gonna I'm gonna do another video on something else too. We're gonna retouch on something else I'm throwing some money at too. So time for some new scenes.